and welcome. I am Anika, bringing you the top headlines from the Travel World online newsroom, India's only 24x7 digital travel TV and radio channel. First, IHG announces its Indonesia debut with the luxury Kimpton Santhaya Bali Ubud. PHDCCI calls for an investment-driven heritage tourism strategy at its 15th International Conclave in Hyderabad. IATA appoints former WEF executive Sadia Zahidi as its first female Director General. TAFE Northern India chapter celebrates its Ruby anniversary, reposing full confidence in chapter leadership. And Indigo reports a quarterly financial loss despite achieving robust 19% revenue growth. Now, the news in detail. IHG Hotels and Resorts is set to debut its luxury lifestyle brand, Kimpton, in Indonesia with Kimpton Santhaya Bali Ubud opening later this year. Located along Jalan Bisma in Ubud's cultural heart, the 101-key resort blends contemporary luxury with Balinese heritage. Featuring private pool villas, wellness facilities, and 2 signature dining venues by Michelin-starred chef Hirofumi Imamura, the property significantly expands Kimpton's luxury lifestyle footprint across Asia. The PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry hosted the 15th International Heritage Tourism Conclave in Hyderabad, emphasizing investment, digital innovation, and public-private partnerships under the theme Khayal Virasat Ka. Releasing the PHDCCI KPMG Heritage Tourism Report, industry leaders, tourism boards, and government officials advocated for technology adoption, community participation, and policy recognition to transform India's cultural heritage into a sustainable driver of economic and tourism growth. In a landmark leadership decision for global aviation, the International Air Transport Association has appointed Sadia Zahidi as its next Director General, effective November 1, 2026. Transitioning from the World Economic Forum, Zahidi becomes the first woman to lead IATA. She succeeds Willie Walsh to steer the Global Airline Trade Association through a rapidly changing global landscape defined by technology, workforce transformation, and sustainable aviation goals. The Northern India chapter of the Travel Agents Federation of India celebrated its Ruby anniversary during its 2026 annual general meeting in New Delhi. Members expressed strong confidence in chapter chairman Dinesh Kumar and the leadership team for their transparent, member-centric approach. The event featured the felicitation of travel trade stalwarts, new member inductions, and industry presentations, reaffirming TAFE's commitment to collaborative growth and responsive trade representation. Finally, India's largest carrier, Indigo, posted a net loss of 2.38 billion rupees for the June quarter, despite an 18.9% rise in total income. While passenger demand remained strong with 31 million passengers carried, soaring jet fuel prices, adverse foreign exchange movements, and Middle East regional conflicts significantly inflated operating costs. However, with a healthy cash reserve of 528 billion rupees, Indigo maintains strong liquidity for future network expansion. That's all in this news bulletin. For latest news, keep watching Travel World Online, India's only 24x7 digital travel TV and radio. Signing off, I am Anika. Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.